Welcome to the session for maths class. Today we are going to start with the chapter number 7, data handling. Data. Data means collection of information. Handling, to arrange the collected information properly so we can find out the material where we have kept. So that is called data handling. The main objective to learn this chapter is to collect information and interpret it. And in this chapter, we are going to learn data handling through 3 ways. First one is listing method, second it's pictograph, third bar graph. Listing method is a method in which we collect the data and keep it in a list form. So today we will learn the listing method through an example. Here, students' favorite subject. Is kept in this table. Number of students, and here subject. So subjects are English, maths, science, Hindi. So number of students who love English are 10. Number of students who like maths are 18. Number of students who like science are 5. Number of students who like Hindi are 22. Now this data is collected and kept in a table form. Now, going through this table, we will answer some of the questions. First question, how many students like science? How many students like science? Yes, the answer is 5, which we got from the table. Similarly, how many students like maths? So number of students like maths are 18. And the last question, how many students are there who love more subject? Or we can write, how many students love or like English? So this is a listing method. Similarly, now we will move on to pictograph. Pictograph is a method where the data is represented through symbols. So here there is one more example of pictograph. How we go to school. So here, what are the different ways through which we go to school? So by bus, by bike, by walk, or by car. And here we will represent this number of students through symbol smiley. So each smiley is equal to 10 students. So the number of students, those who go through bus are, number of students, those who go from bike are, number of students who go through by walking, and number of students who goes or prefer car. Okay, so here one smiley represents 10 students. So here we can say number of students, those who go through bus. So here we will use a skip counting of 10 to count the number of students who goes or uses the bus. 10, 20. Number of students who goes through bike. 10, 20, 30. Number of students who go by walking, 10. Number of students who use car for going to school, 10, 20, 30, 40. So here you have got an idea to read a pictograph. So some of the questions I will be writing down, which you will be doing in homework, and that we will check in next session. So here are some questions. How many students use bus? How many students use car? Total, how many students are going to school? So here are some questions which you will do in your homework, and we will see the answer or check the answer in our next session, where we'll check the answer also and move on to bar graph also. Thank you kids. Hope you liked the session.